Right now at 4:30, jury selection in the trial of Sean Grayson. He is the former downstate sheriff's deputy accused of murdering Sonya Massey, an unarmed woman who called 911 for help. Chris Ty is here. He's watching this case, and this trial was moved out of Sangamon County. That's where the killing happened. You have more information on why that is, though it does make sense.
Yeah, there was so much publicity. The case actually occurred down in Sangamon County, so they moved it up to Peoria County, about 75 miles north, Marie, to try to get jurors who might not have been as exposed to this case. But when they went through voir dire, which is the jury selection process today, they found out most of those would-be jurors knew the case well, but they said, these jurors, that they could be impartial. To refresh this case, Sean Grayson here faces 45 years to life in prison for the events of July 6th of last year. 36-year-old Sonya Massey called police, you may remember, for help because she thought she saw a prowler outside her home. Responding deputies, including Grayson, who stepped inside her home to take a report. Grayson, who is white, shot Massey, who is black, after a confrontation over a pot of boiling water on her stove. He said in police reports and recent court filings that he acted in self-defense.
Stop killing cops! Stop killing cops! Stop killing cops!
Several dozen advocates for Sonya Massey's legacy outside court there in Peoria County today with messages of Black Women Matter, saying they hope their presence makes the Massey family feel as though they are not alone. And they say the presence of police-worn body cameras once again proving their value.
Had it not been caught on video, it could have went the same way as all the other police-involved shootings go, meaning that the police could say, well, I felt threatened and then I had to do what I needed to do. But we've seen clearly she was not the threat. The officer, the former officer, was the threat.
So here's where things stand in the courtroom. They have selected 12 jurors. They are now working on alternates. Of the 12 that have been picked, 11 are white, 1 is black. Remember, we should point out Massey's murder led to legislation signed into law about 2 months ago. The Sonya Massey Act requires more thorough background checks before police officers are hired. CBS reporting revealed that the former deputy, Grayson, the defendant in this case, his history of including accusations of bullying and abuse of power in prior jobs before he got his job at Sangamon County Sheriff's Department, which of course he has now been terminated from.
Right, yeah, that was one of the big headlines in this investigation, and we will look forward to further coverage of the trial. Thank you, Chris.
You bet.